Using Jira as a developer involves managing tasks, tracking progress, and collaborating with team members to ensure project goals are met. Here's how to effectively use Jira. Log in and navigate to your project. Start by logging into your Jira account and selecting the project you are working on from the dashboard. This will give you access to the project board where issues are tracked. Understand issue types. Jira issues represent tasks, bugs, user stories, and more. Familiarize yourself with the issue types used in your project, such as story for new features, bug for problems to fix, and task for general work items. Create and manage issues. To create a new issue, click Create at the top of the page, fill in details like summary, description, and assign it to yourself or a team member. Include relevant details, attachments, and labels for better clarity. Use the Agile board. Move issues through different columns on the Kanban or Scrum board, such as To Do, In Progress, and Done. This visual representation helps track the status of tasks. Work on assigned tasks. Open the assigned issue to view details. Update the status, log time spent, and add comments or attachments as needed. Use the issue's description and subtasks to guide your work. Collaborate and communicate. Use comments within issues to communicate with team members, mention colleagues using username to draw their attention, and update issues with relevant information. Track progress and resolve issues. Regularly update the status of your tasks as you work. Once complete, move issues to done or close them.